Hello there, my name is Musoma from dotShule Systems. In this short video, I'm going to make a demo on the process of assigning digital offices to the school community members. The digital offices on the system create a working environment for anyone to utilize the system in line with what that member is responsible for in the school. These are the same as the permissions a member may hold on the system. How do you assign the digital offices? First, you must be an administrator within the school for you to carry on with assigning the digital offices. For this demonstration, let me get an account of the bursar that was recently added in the system, so we can search for her to get her user ID. We can search for her under staff, and you type the name. She's called Awino Jessica Mary. She's the support staff. She's our school bursar, although she doesn't have rights of the bursar, but we need to give her these rights. So we copy her ID and then go to access, where we assign the digital offices from. This is the menu. You move your cursor to access, click access rights. At the bottom there is manage user access rights, and since this one is a support staff, this one will not apply. We shall use any dotShule user access rights. You paste her ID, which we copied, and you click OK. As you can see, she doesn't have a responsibility yet on the system. Now, for us to give her responsibility or digital office, we shall just go under this section of allowing user responsibility right. You can click on that drop down arrow, down pointing arrow, but you can even click in the field for you to access the various digital offices for support staff members. Now this one is the bursar. Once you state it that she's the bursar, you just click allow, and now you can see the responsibility has been listed. In case there is some other activity she's responsible for in the school, for example, you want her to be able to add the students as a way of creating for them payment codes. So the moment new entrants come to the school and they're given a placement, you can give the bursar this user role of adding new scholar. It is always the resting role. You just click allow. So this will enable this staff member to create payment codes for the students. When you have given these digital offices to this staff member, you will have to communicate to the school. And how do you communicate? You just click on manage Awino Mary's school responsibility. So this is how even the system prepares the profile for this staff member. You just click add responsibility, and you type the responsibility as school bursar, assigned by head teacher. Sometimes it can be the board of directors or any responsible, or even a director, and the start date when she became a school bursar, maybe on 1st August of 2022. Description, here we look at what she's responsible for, but we can just write something in a brief, give a brief about what she's responsible for. Managing school fees and the welfare for staff members, maybe. So the moment you click add responsibility, the staff's profile will be updated with that responsibility as well. That is the process of assigning a digital office to a staff member. I only sampled with a bursar, but it applies when you are assigning even a class teacher or even the student leaders. So if you want to see, you just go to support staff and you look out for school support staff. You can refresh. We can even go to teachers with management duties. You can see the teachers with their responsibilities, but for the bursar, since she's a support staff, she will also be under the support staff. Thank you for watching.